been a long time, Gambi.
Not long enough. We had a deal. You're not supposed to be here. You're supposed to be gone, forever.
I need a new suit.
Only thing I'm gonna measure you for is a coffin.
Oh, I'll be here long after you're gone.
Just because you got that serum pumping through your veins that's keeping you from aging doesn't mean that you and your sister are gonna have a happy ending. You think they told you everything before they gave it to you?
What they didn't tell me, I've already figured out. Another thing I figured out is you're still working for the ASA, which makes you privy to all kinds of information. What I need from you is a name. Who is Black Lightning?
I can't help you.
Well, I think you can.
Knowing things about Black Lightning gets men killed. I do my best to avoid knowing things that can get me killed.
Not telling me what I need to know can get you killed, too. I'll admit, Black Lightning has become a personal problem. I'm guessing his presence in Freeland is a problem for you as well.
Only problem I have is you.
Gambi. I'll see you later.
Last night I saw a superhero, he was black. He said, "This is for the street, Black Lightning back."